kids who have the privilege and the opportunity to have their parents work toward their best interests and be reassuring and maintain a sense of family and keep the kids out of the middle, allow them to love and look to both parents without the divorce being a dividing line with respect to that, they fare better. I know that from my own clinical experience with them, but the research would also support the fact that there are certain predictors of poor outcome for kids going through divorce. Family conflict, parent conflict is very damaging. Losing a parent, losing a meaningful relationship with a parent is damaging, and huge disruption in their lives. And with a traditional divorce, we fuel conflict and tension. We frequently will pit parent against parent. We have to have a bad guy and a good guy, a villain or a victim. And so children are forced to choose one side, so they effectively lose a parent. And parents tend to not be cognizant of the disruption that divorce can cause, and as they're fighting with one another, will not take a look at how they need to ease that transition into a two-home family for their kids. Client control is a key element of collaborative divorce. We really work very hard as a team to identify what the parties want. What is important to them? What are their goals for themselves and for their family? And we have to hold ourselves accountable, not to think we know better, and to be supportive of their efforts to move in the direction that they have identified as of value to them. And one of the things that's really very special about the collaborative process is that as a team we hold each other accountable. So if I'm getting invested in a particular outcome or an attorney is invested in a particular outcome, the other team members hold us accountable, are not afraid to say, wait a minute, this is a client-driven process. We have asked them what they want, and we have all agreed that we are going to, in a sense, be their navigators. We're gonna do everything we can to help them get to that goal in a respectful and constructive way.